Hello, my Villa Deluxe family. Nisha here. Everyone has been asking me, how are you? How is Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa? How is the villa? So I just wanted to jump on here to give another real-time update about Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa. To be honest, the last few weeks has been tough. Hurricane Melissa has impacted many parts of Jamaica. So many small businesses, family and community has been affected. Sometimes I personally have to just sit, pause, take a deep breath and continue rebuilding. But what truly touches me is the resilience of the Jamaican people. I have watched neighbors helping neighbors before they could even check on themselves, sharing their food, giving comfort to other neighbors in the most devastating time, removing debris and extending their self in other ways that you have to be here to see it to really truly understand. That Jamaica is who we are as a community. That rise even when a storm tried to knock us down. That same spirit is what keeps us going here at Villa Deluxe. Here at Villa Deluxe, we are truly blessed. Our villa structure is strong and the villa is safe. And we are getting back to normal slowly but surely. Listen, better days are ahead. And at Villa Deluxe, we are here to welcome you with the same warmth and love. So whenever you are ready, we are here to welcome you. See you soon.